Remember me in moonlit nights, soft whispers, gentle light, in dreams where shadows play. I'm just a breath away. Remember me when storms rage high, in thunders crash and cry, when rain falls heavy fast, I'll be there in the past. Remember me, oh please don't forget, in every sigh, every sunset. Hold on tight to memories sweet, in your heart where we meet. Remember me in morning's glow, with each sunrise I show, in petals of a blooming rose, holding close when no one knows. You and you remember me. Remember me in morning's glow, with each sunrise I show, in petals of a blooming rose, holding close when no one knows. Remember me in silent hours, in life's fleeting moments, hours when stars paint the sky above, in our story filled with love. Remember me, oh please don't forget, in every sigh, every sunset. Hold on tight to memories sweet, in your heart where we meet. Remember me in morning's glow, with each sunrise I show, in petals of a blooming rose, holding close when no one knows. You and you remember me. You and you remember me. You and you remember me. Remember me in moonlit nights, soft whispers, gentle light.